I wish the millions watching around the world.
Prime time.
Nobody, every time I call something into question, I'm
That's why it's very important.
Raise up, gonna be trouble.
Don't relax and take notes.
Might have to drop a dime on it.
Like a clown.
Get his fight.
He has all the attributes to fit.
You ready for the next one?
Most definitely, that's the fight that we want next.
Ready?
He's definitely ready.
Y'all ready?
I'm ready.
Come on, baby, get it together.
You guys gotta give me a better dance partner.
Now nothing mean, don't get a now nothing. Now nothing. A now nothing out of there.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's your man Prime Time, and you already know you're on PrimeTime Talk TV. And yeah, I'm back at you with another good video, and you already know the routine. Once you enter my house, wipe your feet off, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and smash the bell icon so you can be notified the next time I drop these next latest and greatest videos like these.
For prime time.
To this day.
Oh man, let's go ahead and jump on into this video, shall we? Man, how about that Caleb Plant versus David Benavidez, or David Benavidez versus Caleb Plant, whichever way you like it. I ain't hating on it, but look, let's get into the meat of the whole subject and the reason why this video is so very, very juicy. Ooh. So look, let me just cut to the chase. David Benavidez father, David Benavidez senior, you already know he's very, very vocal in the media, that is. And he spoke on how, a fight with Canelo, man, look, y'all quit it. Forget it. He said it's over. It's not going to happen. Not because of him, not because of David Benavidez. No. They want the fight still. But they said that they have came to the realization that Canelo doesn't want that fight and will not take that fight. And he has the right to not take that fight. David Benavidez Sr. even went to say so much as that Canelo outside of the ring is, more focused on golf. He practiced more on that and said that he's taking up partying, the social life, drinking a little bit more than normal, is what he alluded to. And so, he basically, just to cover what else he said, he was saying that, look, we got 3 other fights already lined up with PBC, and we are good. We don't need a Canelo fight. Said that they got the David Morello Jr. fight already lined up. They got Charlo fight lined up. What? That right there just shot me right by itself. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on now. Y'all really gonna do it like that? Said that, Jamal Charlo is on the table for a fight with David Benavidez Jr. and Demetrius Andrade. He said those are very good fights, names that Canelo Alvarez didn't want to fight. So we're going to fight them to show who we are. David's body might change next year, and we are ready to go up to 175 so that we can fight Bivol. Ooh. Said that we would like to get that revenge for Canelo. Bivol is a dangerous fighter, and it would be an honor for us to revenge for Mexico. Ooh. Let me repeat that. He said that we have a contract for 3 fights with David Morrell, Jamal Charlo, and Demetrius Andrade. Ooh. Look, see, that's what I'm talking about. I met David Benavidez Jr. And I'm going to tell you right now, shaking his hand, feeling his aura, feeling his energy, he is a life of confidence for real, he is a ball of confidence, ready to show his experience, his style, his stamina, his ability, his technique, his agility, his athleticism in the ring to anybody. He adapts to any fighter, and like he said, to give even more insight on him, he gets stronger as the fights get longer. Crazy. You know, and I gotta attribute a lot of that to, you know, a lot of fighters, you know, train at young ages and develop it. But some fighters start a little later, therefore their body is saved and their gas tank is more deeper in deeper trenches. And that right there, my friend, is a disaster recipe for any fighter that step in the ring with him. So we definitely are intrigued to see how Caleb Plant adjusts to this, because hey, he adjusted to, you know, my man, the dog, the real, but David Benavidez Jr. is a different monster, the Mexican monster, as Mike Tyson put it. So, woo, I'm telling you, it's a fight that I'm excited to see, for real. I really am, because are we gonna see this new, improved Caleb Plant 2.0 by the brand man, or we gonna see David Benavidez Jr. excel and move forward to the other 3 mega fights that he already have lined up? Because hey, Caleb Plant could derail all that. No pun intended. But at the same time, David Benavidez could just show how more powerful he really is, especially if he ends this in an emphatic fashion. Both fighters have the opportunity to prove themselves. It's only the best gonna be the best, and the rest will fall second. That's just how it is. Someone's gonna excel, someone's gonna fail, someone's gonna win, someone's gonna lose, someone might get knocked down in this fight. For real. If Caleb Plant can't use his footwork to pivot out of the way of David Benavidez Jr. hand speed, it's gonna be a rough night. It's gonna probably be an early night. But if David Benavidez get too sloppy and get caught with a wrong shot, being too greedy, being too, overextending, then we saw what happened to Anthony Durrell. So David Benavidez has to, use his range, use his reach, work the body, cut the ring off. He must do all those things to beat Caleb Plant. But if Caleb Plant footwork is better than David Benavidez, and he's able to move and groove all night long, and he got his cardio ready for 15 rounds, then he can go to the end and maybe take it to a decision. So David Benavidez have to cut off the ring. He have to work the body so that in later rounds, it'll pay off. He'll start dropping his arms to block that body shot, and that's when he will leave that chin exposed. Same thing that happened in the Anthony Durrell action. Caleb Plant was poking at that body. Bow, bow, bow. A lot of people didn't watch that. So then when he hit it with a nice power shot and he tried to block it, he hit him upstairs with a left hand. So, look, this is a very good fight. Experience against youth and athleticism and power. The Mexican monster. So, we're going to see if Caleb Plant is going to stay on his revenge tour, or is it going to be cut short and derailed? No pun intended. But will David Benavidez Jr. keep going so that he can move forward to the other 3 fights that he already got lined up? So it's going to be incredible to see how this goes. And I'm ready, you know. And like I said, you know, if I had to, you know, put any money on anything, I would have to go with my man David Benavidez Jr., y'all. You know what I'm saying? I give it a 9th round KO, you know, but that's just me. You know, that's just me. That's what I feel. So anyway, we're going to keep y'all up to date with this thing and how this progresses even closer. So you already know the routine. When you leave my house, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, smash the bell icon so you can be notified the next time I drop these next latest and greatest videos here on Primetime Talk TV. And I'm on social media everywhere. Definitely go to the website, PrimeTimeTalkTV.com, and cop you some merch. All right, y'all. Peace, love. I'm out till next time.